Hello dear student, welcome to Sanjeevani KBP Polytechnic. I am Mrs. Bhattar KS, teaching you basic chemistry. In our second unit, we have gone through corrosion, introduction regarding corrosion, then types of corrosion, and now mechanism of corrosion, electrochemical corrosion. We have discussed in two ways, that is either with evolution of hydrogen or with absorption of oxygen. Now there are certain common ways of corrosion which we observe in our daily life around us. What are the ways? The ways are pitting corrosion. Pit formation means formation of a stain. When water drop falls on a metal plate, or anyhow if metal plate is having certain crack, then that area we call as pit. Pit means stain, a dark. In running animation, you are observing that water when falls on metal plate, then it creates pit, and form pit result in corrosion. The corrosion due to formation of pit is known as pitting corrosion. This is localized corrosion at that point. म्हणजे पाण्याचा ड्रॉप जिथे असेल आणि तो वाळला की तिथली जागा लालसर होते, तर त्या जागेवरती कॉन्सन्ट्रेट झालंय corrosion किंवा लोकलाइज झालंय corrosion. That corrosion is pitting corrosion. Next one is waterline corrosion. Waterline corrosion, that is when you will observe underground water pipeline and somewhere it is open, then you will find that the pipeline which is underground getting corroded, whereas the pipeline which is exposed to air is least corroded. As the underground pipeline is with less supply of air and hence anodic, so getting corroded, whereas the pipeline which is open to air is cathodic and safe from corrosion. One more type is crevice corrosion. Crevice म्हणजे फट. Now you are observing a pipe fitted in a rubber sheet, and if there is a crevice, म्हणजे जर एखादी छोटीशी फट असेल, तर you will find that corrosion is there with through this crevice, as this part which is from this crevice, air is least entering into the pipe, and hence the part is becoming less aerated and the rest part is more aerated. So you will observe corrosion in this crevice only. That is, we need to fill up such crevices wherever we observe in industry. Basically in petro industries, where one chemical is traveled to other position by means of pipeline, or steam generating boiler, where the pipe chemicals are passed through pipes or steams are passed through pipe, then that steams are well insulated so that there will be no crevice. Once crevice is observed, then corrosion at that part take place vigorously, म्हणजे फास्ट होतोय corrosion त्या फटीमधून. Now, what are the factors which affect rate of corrosion, either increases or decreases corrosion? Very first, that is nature of film. आपण असं म्हणूया nature of oxide film. As already we have discussed that there are certain natures to the oxide film. It may be porous, it may be non-porous, unstable and volatile. Among these four film, remember guys, porous film is slowly corroding metal up to the end of metal. Non-porous oxide film is protective category, which once formed creates barrier between metal and atmosphere and protect metal from further corrosion. Next one is unstable film. Unstable film is of not at all a problem, because it forms and immediately breaks metal and oxygen again. Example for this category is gold. Gold is having no problem of corrosion. Dangerous oxide film is volatile, as it volatilizes, and during volatilization it takes metal with it in the form of gas, and hence after some time we don't have even metal to observe. Next one is impurities in the atmosphere. Impurities like moisture or a raised temperature increases rate of corrosion. In moisture, atmospheric gases tend to dissolve, and dissolved gases creates greater corrosion compared to dry gases. Temperature affect corrosion. As temperature increases, reaction rate increases, and hence corrosion also increases. Next one is purity of metal. Remember once again, if metal is highly pure, then there is no problem of corrosion. As only metal, there is no anode, no cathode. Hence, there will be no corrosion. Once there is presence of impurity, then there will be development of anode and cathode, and hence electrochemical corrosion. And we can't avoid corrosion of anode. Next is relative areas of anode and cathode. We have gone through this. I am just focusing that smaller anode and larger cathode is dangerous. जसं मी मागे सांगितलंय की छोटा एनोड असेल आणि मोठा कॅथोड असेल तर त्या छोट्या एनोडला येणारं करोजन हे खूप फास्ट आहे. Later on pH value, corrosion take place in almost all pH, that is from 0 to 14, but observation is corrosion rate is faster in acidic medium as compared to neutral and alkaline medium. Next one is corrosion, solubility of corrosion product. Corrosion product म्हणजे corrosion ची जी फिल्म सरफेस वरती मेटलच्या तयार होते ती जर soluble असेल तर काय होईल? If it is soluble, then inside metal is always exposed to atmosphere. Means soluble corrosion film is dangerous. Corrosion film form over the surface of metal must be insoluble so that it create again a physical barrier and avoid further corrosion of the metal. Important point among these all is position of metal in EMF series. म्हणजे suppose you are having two metal in pair, one of the metal become anode and other one become cathode. So who will be anode? For that this series will guide you. In this series, metals are arranged according to their oxidation potential value, or you may call as reduction potential value, or tendency towards oxidation. The metals at the top are ready for oxidation, and as you go down, their tendency towards oxidation goes on decreasing. It means the metal which occupies the topper position are anodic, whereas comparatively to the bottom are cathodic, and hence the cathode is safe from corrosion. For example, I will take a pair. मी जशी एक पेयर घेऊन दाखवते तुम्हाला. Now see, I am going to take a pair of zinc and iron. कर्सर कडे लक्ष द्या. Zinc is at the top compared to iron. मग जर ही जोडी तयार केली मी झिंक आयर्न, so who will be anode? Zinc will be anode and iron will be cathode. म्हणजे ह्या पेयर मध्ये झिंकला corrosion येईल, आयर्नला नाही. One more pair we can take. Suppose I will choose magnesium and aluminium. Magnesium aluminium घेतलाय तर magnesium top ला आहे आणि aluminium bottom ला आहे. तर corrosion magnesium ला येईल. कोणाला येणार नाही? Aluminium ला येणार नाही. I am talking about pairs of metal when they are in couple, then one of the metal undergo corrosion whereas other is safe from corrosion. Again, you can focus that at the bottom there are nobler metals are there who are having very less rate of corrosion, like gold. Gold is at the bottom having no issue of corrosion. Above to gold there is platinum, above that mercury, silver. And remember, for such metal we pay very much. Like last time only I have told you that for gold we are paying 5,000 rupees per gram, but for zinc and iron we doesn't pay this much, as they are corroding metal whereas bottom one are less corroding metal. This series will help you in number of ways, that which one is more anodic, which one is more cathodic, and once pair is formed, this series will tell that among this pair who is anodic and who is cathodic. Top one or higher position is anodic whereas bottom one are cathodic. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.